Namaskar. Subject CPS 3 and CPS 4 we are studying curriculum and pedagogic studies school subject English. We are going to learn unit number 2 acquisition of second language. Today we will see 2.8 the role of the first language in second language acquisition. So let us see the role of the first language in second language acquisition. Generally we have know that the first language has long been regarded as interference, playing a negative role in learning a second language. Though it is interference, though it plays a negative role, but there are some positive roles too. So there are so many research and theories in the past focused on the problems caused by the first language in the second language learning. But there are some positive roles also played by the first language in the second language acquisition. So today we will see the positive roles and the negative roles of the first language in a second language acquisition. The negative roles of the first language in learning the second language are interference in errors in sound, inter, interference errors in lexis, interference errors in grammar, interference errors in transformation, obstacles in learning language, difficult to make comparison and contrast between two languages. Then positive roles are similarity of content helps to transfer, similarity of techniques helps to transfer, plays role of coordinator, helps to learn quickly and efficiently, plays role of translator, and helps to understand the subject matter for writing. So these are the roles. Let us see in detail. The first we will see negative roles. The first one is that interference in errors in sound. This is a negative role played by the first language while learning the second language. If the sounds are different in each language, it is difficult for the student to utter exactly. See, we learn Marathi आपण शिकलो. We are going to learn English language. The both language has the different sounds. So the Marathi language learner is going to his utterance in English. So that makes it difficult to him to learn a second language. A comparison between the Marathi consonantal system and English consonantal system shows that Marathi has a large number of plosive sounds and a very small number of fricative sounds too. So it has only 3 or 4 fricative sounds, but English has only 6 plosive sounds. So there are 2 more vowels in Marathi to denote the pronunciation of English words such as of a in act and a in all. So these are written as a and a. So these differences make difficult or interference in errors in sound, producing the sound. So this is the negative role played by the first language while learning or acquiring second language. Then this creates a problems of the learner. So second role is that interference errors in lexis. So the errors in lexis also creates the interference of the mother tongue. We do not have the words for respect to elders in English, but in Marathi we have the different words. So this creates problems for the learners. Take an example. आपण मराठीमध्ये तो, ती, ते किंवा त्या किंवा असं we have different words for elders, त्यांना, ते, but in English we have you. So this creates dilemma in the learner. So we have some lexics problem while learning the second language when we take the help of a first language. So let's see the third role, inference errors in grammar. So there is a difference between the sentence pattern of Marathi and English. So Marathi has its own peculiarities, English has its own peculiarity. So there is a difference. There is difference in a sentence pattern. It makes interference in learning. So there are lot of preposition in English, but we have different words for in Marathi. So this creates problem for the learner and it creates the interference. errors in grammar. So this is the role, negative role. Fourth one is that inference error in transformation. So it is difficult to transform the one language in another exactly the same for the learner. So because each language stands for its own peculiarities, it has its own pattern. For example, in English we have articles, but in Marathi we do not have. So while translating them, we have difficulties. So it is not possible to translate each and every word in Marathi from English language for the learner. So this creates problem for the learners, and it makes inference errors in transformation. So that is the negative role played by the first language while learning the second language. The fifth one is that obstacles in learning language. Some teachers are of the views that the use of mother tongue is an obstacle to learn English. So कधी कधी होतं मराठी भाषेचा अडथळे इंग्रजी भाषा लर्नमध्ये होत असतात. सो द इम्पॅक्ट ऑफ मदर टंग ऑन द लर्नर मेक्स इट डिफिकल्ट to learn the new language. When we are going to learn the new language, we have some difficulties of mother tongue. If the student learns it but impact of his mother tongue remains on him. जरी आपण ती भाषा शिकलो, परंतु the impact of our mother tongue is remain till on the second language. So this creates problem for the learner, problems for use of that language. So here we have obstacles in learning language. Then sixth one is that difficult to make comparison and contrast between two languages. It is not possible to compare two languages. So every language has its own peculiarities and characteristics. We do not compare and contrast about the learning of two languages by its subdivision. So if we have to develop a good language, we have to use it than translate. So we should learn to use that language rather than to translate. But what happen, we translate from one foreign language in mother tongue. When we have to produce, we translate from mother tongue to foreign language. So it is not possible for the learner. So this creates problem for the learner. So this is the negative role played by the first language. Now there are some positive roles too played by the first language while learning the second language acquisition or learning the second language. First one is that similarity of content helps to transfer. See, though we have some inferences of first language on second language acquisition, but it has some positive roles to develop it. It helps to transfer the content. There are some similarity of in two languages. The knowledge of one language can help a learner to acquire another language more easily if there are similar components in two languages. Each and every language has some similarities. Grammar is there, some patterns are there. We have some basic similarity between two languages. So that similarity helps us to learn the new language. There are similarity in grammar, vocabulary, and sentence construction. So this similarity is helpful to learn second language. So it is the positive roles it plays us while learning the second language. The second one is that similarity of techniques helps to transfer. See, there are some techniques to understand the meaning of words and sentences. So for example, in English we have pre as prefix to add some words such as predetermined, etc. So we have some words in Marathi too, such as niyojit. We have purva niyojit. So some prefix are there we use in both the language. So that type of similarity in techniques to help us to develop the language. This similarity is helpful to learn a second language. So the third role is played by the first language is that plays a role of coordinator. See, the first language is the coordinator of learning the second language. The important role is played by the L1 in acquiring, L2 is a coordination. So it plays the role of coordinator. It coordinates the learning of the language. it helps to remove the obstacle in learning. So if we have difficulties in understanding in a second language, so we took the help of the mother tongue or L1. So it coordinate the learning. So that's why it plays the role of a coordinator. Then fourth role is played by helps to learn quickly and efficiently. So when we use mother tongue, it helps us to learn quickly and efficiently. The L1 is helps to the learner to acquire the L2 quickly and efficiently. So the learner need to expose in bilingual situation to learn. So we need to expose in bilingual situation. It helps to remove the obstacles in learning. So again, it helps to learn quickly and easily. The fifth role is played by the first language is that plays role of translator. See, first language help us to translate from the second language. The L1 plays the role of a translator of L2. L1 translate the difficulties in L2 to learn the language. When first language translate the difficulties of L2 in our mother tongue, it helps to remove the obstacles in learning. Again, it helps us, so that role is played. Helps to understand the subject matter for writing. When the L1 helps to understand the subject matter for writing and speaking, the students thinks in L1 and translate it in L2 and writes it. So that help is taken. So it helps to remove the obstacles in learning. कधी कधी आपण, मी मागे बोललो तुम्हाला की आपण मराठीत विचार करतो आणि नंतर ते इंग्रजीत लिहितो. सो त्या प्रकारे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला मदत फर्स्ट लँग्वेजची होताना आपल्याला दिसून येतो. So we have both type of roles of the first language. Some positive roles are there, some negative roles are there. If we take positive roles of the first language while learning or acquiring the second language, it will definitely help us to learn the second language. Whatever I present before you, I have took some references from these books and from this website. You also visit the website and read the books, take in detail. Hope you understood the role of a first language in acquiring the second language. Thank you. Thank you very much.